Every second, the human body is under relentless attack. Cells are bombarded by severe oxidative stress, inflammatory triggers, and pathogens attempting to breach the system. When these microscopic defenses fail, the consequences are severe. Unchecked inflammation and cellular damage drive the development of acute respiratory infections, debilitating rheumatoid arthritis, hepatic toxicity, and complex tumors. This threat matrix extends through the entire biological network, manifesting as inflammatory bowel diseases, bacterial dysentery, cardiovascular atherosclerosis, and severe dermatological infections. The countermeasure is Andrographis paniculata. This botanical acts as a created master blueprint, an assembly of organic compounds designed for a specific, comprehensive defensive purpose. Ancient medical traditions utilized this design long before modern biochemistry. The plant was used to balance Ayurvedic doshas, regulate the flow of qi across energy meridians, and harmonize the elemental structures of Thai medicine. The plant offers a cohesive system of defense that spans from these traditional energy channels to the most microscopic chemical pathways. Terpenoids route to lungs to clear phlegm, cooling toxic heat in the liver. Flavonoids protect the eyes and heart. Antioxidants and vitamins soothe kidneys and synthesize skin collagen. Minerals and proteins build bone density, hemoglobin, and provide amino acids for immune repair. This single botanical provides an organized arsenal, defending the bones, circulation, lungs, liver, kidneys, heart, and eyes. While its systemic reach is broad, its specific logic is best observed when we look at how it manages a single human skin cell. Diving beneath the surface of the integumentary system, we enter the battleground of the skin. Every day, this barrier absorbs UV radiation and severe oxidative stress. These external stresses trigger internal inflammatory cascades. This localized toxic heat is the origin point for nearly all visible skin diseases and eruptions. Inside a skin cell, a master genetic switch known as NF-kappa-B controls this process. When flipped to the on position, it floods the surrounding tissue with destructive, pro-inflammatory cytokines. If this genetic switch is left uncontrolled, those alert signals degrade the tissue, resulting in cystic acne and chronic dermatological failure. The primary terpenoids in the plant provide a direct intervention. They penetrate the skin cell's outer lipid membrane with ease. Once inside, the andrographis molecule docks into the NF-kappa-B pathway, obstructing the signal and turning the switch off. With the switch deactivated, the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines stops. The toxic heat and eruptions are halted, restoring calm. Almost instantly, a second wave of defense arrives in the form of highly mobile flavonoids. These scavengers donate electrons to neutralize reactive oxygen species. This targeted action halts lipid peroxidation, preventing skin cell membranes from tearing and aging. Finally, trace vitamin C regenerates the spent antioxidants, while specialized tannins act as physical astringents to tighten cellular pores and seal open wounds. This multi-layered cellular defense demonstrates the precision of the skin's restoration through a deliberate biochemical design. The biological result of this intervention is structural integrity. Systemic inflammation is neutralized, toxic heat is purged from the blood, and the skin barrier is restored to a functional state. Andrographis paniculata functions as a master regulator. It bridges the exactness of biochemical engineering with the ancient harmony of energetic flow. This level of cellular protection is available for daily use, bringing the restoration of the natural world into your own routine. To learn more about the design and wisdom found in the natural world, click like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn notifications on. It's free, and it only takes a second, and by supporting us, helps us to create more content like this for you. Thanks for watching.